Ninth Amendment to USA's Constitution essentially granted the right of voting to the option C is correct, women. Fidel Castro was the former president of the option B is correct, Cuba. Name the South African activists who was awarded Nobel Prize for Peace in 1993. The option B is correct, Nelson Mandela. Which is the largest Palestinian militant organization? The option A is correct, Hamas. During the period of the Renaissance, new styles of architecture first developed in. The option A is correct, Italy. The USA consists of. The option B is correct, 50 states. Which country suffered the maximum in World War II? The option C is correct, Japan. Sir Allama Muhammad Iqbal was elected as a member of Punjab Legislative Assembly in. The option C is correct, 1926. How many articles are there in Constitution of USA? The option A is correct, 7. Nurul Amin was the option C is correct, Pakistan former Vice President of Pakistan. In Chaghi range, Sandak is famous for all of these. The option is correct, all of these. Quaid-e-Azam became the permanent president of Muslim League in. The rag on which a national anthem's tune is formed was introduced in South Asian region during the option A is correct, Muslim period. The national anthem was approved in. Option B is correct, August 1954. Napoleon Bonaparte was the king of. Option C is correct, France. When Pakistan won the Cricket World Cup? Option A is correct, 1992. In the February 2010, the share of agriculture in employments is. The option C is correct, 42%. The movement of a person from one social position to another of a different rank is called. The option B is correct, vertical mobility. Inflation means. The option C is correct, rise in general price index. A sum of money placed at compound interest doubles itself in 5 years. It will amount to 8 times itself at the same rate of interest in. The option A is correct, 15 years. Synonyms: pertinacious. Option C is correct, determined. Illicit. The option B is correct, extract. Gravid. Gravid का synonym. The option C is correct, pregnant. Synonym of admit. Option C is correct, accept. Synonym of stead. Option A is correct, sedate. Synonym of perilous. Option D is correct, dangerous. Synonym of lavish. Option A is correct. Profuse. Synonym of dud. Option A is correct. Failure. He would have been his close associate had he not been disloyal. Phrases. Option C is correct. Colleague. Everybody laughed at the puerility of his statement. Option A is correct. Childishness. Approximately nearly meanings हैं इनके. Now the fury of the demonstrators turned against the machines. Option C is correct. Rage. All the streets looked just the same. Option C is correct. Exactly. At the Hardy house, there was great consternation when Aunt Gertrude saw Joe helping Frank up the stairs. Option B is correct. Panic. After his graduation, he had to pass through a period of privation. Option A is correct. Hardship. His commands were so peremptory that we felt humiliated. Option D is correct. Dictatorial. Opposite meanings of the word. Moist का opposite क्या है? Moist का opposite option B dry. Vanquish. Vanquish का opposite option A surrender. Belay. Belay का opposite option B justify. Delete. Delete का opposite antonym option B is correct. Insert. Anathematize. Anathematize का opposite option A bless. Fecund. Fecund का opposite barren. Option C is correct. Barren. Demon. Demon. Demon का क्या है? Demon का opposite option A angel. Despondency. Despondency का opposite option C is correct. Cheerfulness. Closest meaning to the opposite meaning. Nourishing food is a necessity both for a pregnant mother and a baby. Option A is correct. Unhygienic. The man at the gate had a forbidding appearance. Option B is correct. Handsome. There is a dearth of milk in Lahore nowadays. Option C is correct. Abundance. A faithful officer is always vigilant toward his duties. The option D is correct. Careless. The gross domestic product is an essential component of economy. The option C is correct. Superfluous. It was really a gracious occasion for me. The option C is correct. Churlish. The last one. Terrorism is a serious hazard to the country. The option A is correct. Safety.